incredible.
No doubt. I will be like, Abigail.
That was the girl I used to be.
All you need is a flag and a truck. Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
All we had was a flag and a truck.
Flag and truck.
We built this city on flags and trucks. We built this city on flags and trucks. Truck. Fuck. We don't have any cash. Let's see how much cash I have. Why did they say that, you guys? Just put it in the reviews. I have 10. I have $12 cash, Jacob.
Alright, we're going to McDonald's.
No. America!
Yeah.
There's an eagle!
We just sound like
There's an eagle!
6 different species of animals. I love that.
We're in Wisconsin. And the stairs are closed. Truckers be like,
Is there medieval times in Chicago? I know I was in Wisconsin.
culture.
I'm at the Library Murdoch Center.
Oh, Celsius?
Yeah.
Sorry. The little ones are just us saying, hi, here we come. And then the really loud one is get the hell out of the way. A facility designed to make things like invoices, but the result was Chicago's population sky. Keep in mind the journalist who wrote it more than once disclosed that he lied. Made it up. Fevered out over their plot of land. They did so using their largest... You really would know. Either. Glow in the dark earring. I got you.
That's awesome.
Nice catch.
That's such like a Seinfeld shot you have there.
Keeping all that in.
Looks dead.
Let's see this baby. Only in Chicago.
say the
This is how we celebrate Harold's 75th anniversary.
let's go.
Something tells me they used to have seats.
Yeah. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Jesus fuck.
It looks like a monster.
It does.
I didn't get so much. Yeah, that was very funny.
The tiniest amount of cheese.
Cheese pull. Cheese pull.
Back at the Airbnb, we just smashed 2 muffins that our Airbnb host made for us this morning, and it was so good. 2. And a pop. And we had a couple of those.
They already clicked off their board.